Welcome, students. Today we are learning about life processes, the things that make an organism alive. All living things must carry out 7 essential processes. These allow them to survive, grow, and stay active. Non-living things do not perform these functions. Here's an easy way to remember them. Just think of the acronym MERS-GREN. This is your guide to understanding life itself.
Now, students, let's spell out MERS-GREN. M is for movement. R is for reproduction. S is for sensitivity. G is for growth. R is for respiration. E is for excretion. N is for nutrition. These are the 7 life processes that all living things share. Let's look closer at the first 2, movement and reproduction. Animals move their whole bodies to find food, escape danger, or migrate. Plants move too. Roots grow downward toward water, and leaves turn toward sunlight for photosynthesis. Reproduction is how living things make new life. Animals give birth or lay eggs, while plants create new plants from seeds, spores, or other methods like runners and bulbs. This is an important point. Without reproduction, species cannot continue. Now let's see movement in action. Animals move in many ways, from a cheetah's sprint to a turtle's slow crawl. Each type of movement helps them survive. Plants may look still, but they are always moving, growing toward light, water, and nutrients. Some animals even have special movement abilities. Here's an example you should remember. Hummingbirds can hover in place while feeding. S is for sensitivity, and G is for growth. Sensitivity means responding to changes in the environment. Plants grow toward sunlight, animals respond to temperature, and humans react to sounds, smells, and touch. Growth means all living things increase in size or cell number. Babies grow into adults, seeds turn into plants, and bacteria multiply. Now, students, notice this. Growth and sensitivity are clear signs that something is alive. Here are some amazing examples of sensitivity. Eagles can spot prey from miles away. Bats use echolocation to find their way in the dark. Sharks detect tiny electric fields from other animals. Plants also respond. Mimosa, leaves fold when touched. Venus flytraps snap shut on insects, and roots grow away from light. Even the environment causes changes. Many animals hibernate in winter, while plants shed leaves in autumn to survive the cold. Now let's study excretion, respiration, and nutrition. Excretion means removing waste. Animals breathe out carbon dioxide and pass waste through kidneys. Plants release oxygen and water vapor through their leaves. Respiration is releasing energy from food using oxygen. This process happens in both plants and animals to power life activities. Nutrition is how organisms get food. Plants make their own through photosynthesis. Animals eat plants or other animals for energy. This is an important point. All 3 processes keep organisms alive and active. Students, here's the nutrition cycle. First, plants capture sunlight to make food. Next, plants produce energy-rich food for themselves. Then, primary consumers, like herbivores, eat plants. Finally, secondary consumers, like predators, eat other animals for energy. Now, students, notice this. Energy from the sun flows through the entire food chain, keeping life moving forward. So, why do life processes matter? Because without them, an organism cannot truly be called alive. All 7 processes, movement, reproduction, sensitivity, growth, respiration, excretion, and nutrition, work together to keep living things healthy and able to continue their species. Next time you see a plant or an animal, think about how it moves, grows, breathes, and responds to its surroundings. Remember this: MERS-GREN is the key to understanding the complexity of life itself.